Makan tension na po. Bhagwati Parvatatam Jagre Arayam. Village tour is there. I have already covered about 100 villages. So my idea is to cover almost all villages in Goa. Public workers are should consider that the people are supreme. So as a governor, instead of sitting simply in the Rajabhavan, instead of that I am going to the people and meeting the people. And in a way, during my visit to village areas, normally tourists are attracted to beach areas and other things. Tourists from all over the world are coming, but our villages are, I think, equally or more beautiful on the point of view of environment and other most modern people's thinking is in their life. Simply enjoying nature itself is a part of tourism. So like that, I satisfied myself that within this 10 months, I am a governor of Goa over the last 10 months. And, I'm very happy to see that people are good at heart, and our MLAs and others, they are also working hard. And our village culture, according to Gandhiji, Bharata Darshan, you can see only through villages. So our villages are more beautiful. Their real production is also, especially in the agricultural field, is going on there, and people's hard work. At the same time, I am looking into their problems also. I will convey it to the elected government from the central as well as state. Through that process, we will cooperate with the people, and for their welfare, we will do. That's only India. And I already Konkani, southern part, already the entire villages in Konkani Taluka covered, and this is the northern part. Here also, I think, I hope I will be able to
Full
visit
day,
to all the villages.
sir. Full day you are in Pernem Taluka. So what you feel, sir?
In such a ancient temple is here, and people's culture is also the cultural thinking level and activities are also, in fact, appreciated by me. And through this purpose, I am also studying things. Being the first citizen of Goa, it is my bounden duty to see the people in and around the Goa, and through that process, Goa is one of the richest states in India.